How to create animated videos in Canva. So go ahead and open your desktop browser and now visit the Canva website. It's www.canva.com and log in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. So simply click on this button and you can then choose between Gmail, Facebook, and email to sign up. So I'll be choosing Gmail and then here in the window, click on your account. And after that, just wait for this to load. And once you're in this homepage, you can actually just browse through these available templates that you can use in Canva. Simply click on this template word on the left side here on the tab and then proceed to the videos. As you can see, there's a lot of templates that you can freely use. Now, on this part of the page, you can also see different categories and resolution. So we have here 16 by 9 videos, which is usually used for YouTube and presentations. There's also Facebook videos, which is the mobile type, video collage, and a lot more. So just choose a template here if there's something that fits the theme or the layout that you need for your animation video. This will save you a lot of time. Now, if you want to start from scratch, simply click on the Create a Design button in the upper right corner of the page. Choose among the different resolution here, or if your desired size is not available here, select the Custom Size button. It's on the bottom part. And then here, you can input the specific size that you want. You can change it from pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Or you can also search for a specific paper here like A4, portrait, or whatever kind of video that you need. So I'll be simply selecting the video. And once you have chosen a size, you will then be directed into this editing page. And this is where we can edit the animation video. If you are new to Canva, this platform is actually simple and easy to use. Here on the left side, on the Design tab, you will be able to access the template, which again you can freely use as long as they don't have this crown icon. If an element has this crown icon, if an element has this crown icon, only those who are subscribed to their pro plan can use it. Now beside is the styles where you can choose color palette and font combinations, which is pretty helpful in maintaining the branding of your overall layout, presentation, or video. Moving on to the Elements tab, here is where you can access and search for images. Vectors, graphics, shapes are here as well. You can even use the new AI image generator. There are also stickers, videos, and a lot more. So I will go ahead and start the layout of what I want to design. So let's say I want to create a moving car. The first thing that I will look for is the background, which is the road, of course. So basically, just use the search engine to find specific elements that you need. After this, I'll be adding the car now. Again, just type it in the search engine here on the Elements tab, and various results will then show. Once you have chosen an element, just click on it and adjust the whole graphic on your canvas. Now to make this car move and go to this point, we need to duplicate this slide. So hover on the current slide. By the way, if you don't have this on your screen, it might be hidden. So just click on this icon and your slides will then show. Again, hover on this side, click on the three dots icon and then click on duplicate. This will then be created. As you can see, it is now doubled. Tap on it and in here, I will move the car to where I want it to be on the end of the animation. So I'll just drag it here and now we need to add a transition. So put your cursor on the middle of the pages. So it should be between the two pages of your design. And then click on this arrow icon which represents the transition. And then now go to the left tab and select match and move. This transition will make an element in your first slide match the second slide by moving. So in this case, from here on the leftmost part of the road, it will move to reach this point on the right side. So To check it, simply click on the play icon. If you don't have this, just click on this duration button. Okay, so this is too long and too slow, so I will change the duration of the first slide. So make this at least just 2.5 seconds. As you can see, it moved from left to right, but the speed was kind of not right. So to adjust it, proceed to the left panel, and this is the setting for the duration of the transition. Since it is too fast, I will make it a little slower so just it's not awkward to look at. Okay, so this is the maximum duration, and let's play and try it again. Now as you can see, that is more smooth looking. To save it with the animation, click on the share button on the upper right corner of the screen. Proceed to download, and then here make sure that the file type is set to MP4 video so that your animation will be saved. If this is set to PNG or PDF, the slide will not move and it will just be saved as a normal still slide which is not moving. Now, if you want to do this on a template, let's say for example, let's search for template. So let's say this template for a food product. So simply click on the template that you want and then customize this template. Or you can browse under to check other templates in the same category. In this case, it's all food templates. And once you have the template, you will then be directed into this editing page where you can edit every element in the canvas. So let's say you want to change this image in the circle. This is a frame. So what we can do to change this image is to click on it and then click on the attach image. This will make the frame remove the image, and then you can insert your own image after that. Once you put your image on top of the frame, it will hug the shape of the frame and you can edit all of these texts, designs, and other elements that you can move to fit the theme of your design more. And let's say you want to change the animation of a single element. You can click on that specific element and then proceed to the animations tab. And here you can change the animation style of this. Now use this duration tab to check how your video will look like. And if ever the animation is too fast or too slow, you can adjust the time of the whole video in this part. Just slide this, and basically the shorter the video, the faster the animations will be, and it will become slower if you make it longer. So that is how to create animated videos in Canva. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.